Namaste everyone. Today we will see anti-rheumatic groups asanas. So we will see asanas, some important asanas for the patient of arthritis and all joints pains such as elbow joints pain, wrist joints pain, knee joints pains, and all the joints of pains, and important for the heart problem related patient. So we will see first how to stretch your legs, both palms beside your buttock, and slightly lean back for the comfortable, and then look forward and leg straight from your knees. This is called Prarambhik Sthiti. So first we will perform Pad Anguli Naman. Pad means पैर, अंगुली means पाँव की जो उंगलियां हैं वो. So we will see first stretch forward your toes and then backward your toes. Make sure during the practice focus on your two regions. So inhale to backward, exhale forward, inhale backward, exhale forward. Okay, now we will move next asanas. Gulf Naman. Gulf Naman means ankle bending asana. So first come into the Dandasana. In this asana, bend your feet, stretch your feet forwards and backwards. So make sure when your feet forwards, exhale, and while inhale, feet move backwards. Okay, so start. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. During the practice, focus on your ankle region. Okay. This practice will be performed 5 rounds. Now we will move on next asana, Gulf Chakra. So for the Gulf Chakra, first come into the Dandasana. So Gulf Chakra means rotation your ankle, rotation your feet. So first we will perform clockwise and then anti-clockwise. Okay, so start. stretch you when your leg, when your feet down movements, while exhale, and then your feet up, inhale. Okay, so start for 5 rounds. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. During the practice, make sure focus on your ankle region. And now we will practice another side, another movement, anti-clockwise. So start. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. When your feet up, inhale, and while your feet down, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Okay. Now relax for a while. Now we will move on next asana, Gulf Ghurnan. So first we will come into the first Tandasana. Then after that we will perform first from right leg. So first come into the Dandasana, then fold your right leg from your knees and right hand place on your right knee, and then left hand place on your right foot. During the practice, make sure your spine should be straight and left leg should be straight from your knees. Okay. Now first we will see breathing pattern. When your feet move downwards, then exhale. When your feet upwards, inhale. So we will practice only 5 rounds. Okay, start. Exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. During the practice, focus on your ankle region. Now, same practice with another leg. Stretch your leg and relax for a while. Feel the effect after the practice and relax for a while. Now we will move on next asana, Janu Naman. Janu Naman means knee bending asana. So we will start first, come into the Dandasana. For the Janu Naman, first interlock your finger. First we will start with your right leg. So bend your right legs, interlock your fingers under your thigh, right thigh. Make sure spine should be straight. Bring your thigh near to the chest as much as possible and make sure spine should be straight. Now we will see first breathing pattern. Okay, inhale stretch your legs. Exhale, leg down from your knees. Okay, we will perform 5 rounds. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. During the practice, focus on your knee region. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Now, same practice with another leg. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Now relax for a while. Okay, so we will move on. Next asana, Janu Chakra. Janu Chakra means knee rotation. Okay, let's start. So first come into the Dandasana. Bend your right leg. First we will start from right leg. Bend your right leg, interlock your finger under your thigh. Grab your thigh. Okay, first we will see breathing pattern. When upward direction legs and inhale, and then downward direction exhale. Okay, so we will practice 5 rounds and aware on your knee region. Okay. Inhale, try to make a big circle. Exhale, inhale, exhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Okay, now unfold your leg. Some practice with another leg. So first fold and then grab. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. During the practice, totally focus on your knee region. Now, movement with another direction. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Try to make a big circle. Okay, now unfold your legs, balance for the another side. That sides and that's another side. Exhale, inhale, exhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale. Now unfold your leg. Relax for a while. Now we will move on next asana, Ardha Titli asana. So for the Ardha Titli asana, first come into Dandasana, then fold your right leg, and right feet, right foot place on your left thigh. Interlock your finger under right thigh. Inhale and bring your knee near to the chest as much as possible, and exhale down completely. Try to touch knee on the floor. We will practice 5 rounds. Inhale up, exhale down. Inhale up, exhale down. Inhale up, exhale down. Inhale up, exhale down. Make sure you focus on your hip joint. Okay, now same practice with another leg. So unfold your right legs, then fold your left leg. Inhale up, exhale down. During the practice, make sure your spine should be straight. Exhale down. Inhale up, exhale down. Inhale up, exhale down. Inhale up, exhale down. Now unfold your leg and relax for a while. So now we will move on next practice, Shroni Chakra. Shroni Chakra means hip rotation. So first we will come into the Dandasana. First we will practice with right leg. So bend your right leg from your knee and left hand, with your left hand grab your right foot, and with your right hand grab your right knee. Okay, and rotate your legs from your hip joint. Now we will see breathing pattern. Okay, so when your legs down, exhale, and when your legs up for direction, inhale. Now we will perform 5 rounds. Inhale up, exhale downward movement. Try to make a big circle. Exhale downward movement. Inhale upward movement. During the practice, make sure your spine should be straight. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale upward. Exhale downward direction. During the practice, focus on your hip joint. Okay, now another direction for the balance. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale upward movement. Exhale downward movement. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Then unfold your right leg. Then we will start some practice with your another leg. First fold and grab your right hands with the left foot and left hand placed on your left knees. So start. Inhale, exhale. Try to make a big circle. During the practice, focus on your hip joint. Inhale, exhale down. Inhale up, exhale downward movement. Inhale, upward movement. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Now opposite direction. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. During the practice, focus on your hip joint. Okay, now unfold your legs and relax for a while. Now we will move on. Next asana, Purna Titli Asana. For the Purna Titli Asana, first we will perform this position. Heels together and grab your interlock your finger and grab your both toes. Okay, and bring your heels near to the perineum and your knee touch on the ground. So first we will start with slow movement and then after that dynamically. Okay, so start. So first we will see breathing pattern. Inhale, leg up and exhale, leg down. Inhale up and exhale down. Inhale up. We will practice with 5 rounds. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. During the practice, focus on your hip joint. Okay, now we will practice dynamically. So when you practice dynamically, make sure your breathing pattern should be normal and flap your legs just like as, but breathing is normal. Listen or inhalation. Okay, now unfold your legs and relax for a while. Now we will move on. Next asana, Mustika Bandh. Mustika means fist, opening and closing. This. Okay, so first stretch your hands on your shoulder level and make fist while exhale and open your fingers while inhale. Okay, so start. Exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale. We will practice 5 rounds. Exhale, inhale. During the practice, focus on your hands, fingers. Exhale. Then slowly hands down and relax for a while. Now we will move on. Next asana, Manibandh Chakra, wrist rotation. So for the Manibandh Chakra, first sit any comfortable cross-leg posture. So first stretch your arms on your shoulder level and make a fist. Make sure when you make the fist, thumb inside your fist. Okay. First we will see breathing pattern. When you downward movement, exhale, and while inhale, upward movement. Okay. So start. Exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale. We will perform 5 rounds each direction. Exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale. Now another direction. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. During the practice, focus on your wrist joint. Make sure your spine should be straight during the practice. Okay. Now slowly, first open your fist, then slowly hands down. Now we will move on. Next asana, Manibandh Naman. Okay. So first sit any cross-leg posture, any comfortable cross-leg posture. First, stretch your hands, stretch your arms on your shoulder level. First, we will see breathing pattern. When your palms up, backward movement, then inhale, and your downward movement, exhale. Okay. So we will perform 5 rounds. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. During the practice, focus on your wrist joint. Exhale down, inhale up, exhale down, inhale up, exhale down, and inhale, initial position, and slowly hands down. Now we will move next asana, Kehuni Naman. Kehuni means elbow, Naman means bending. Okay. So first we will practice with right hand. First stretch your right hand, palm facing upward direction, and left hand place elbow, right elbow. First we will see breathing pattern. Okay. Exhale, bend your arms with your elbow and try to touch shoulder with your right hands, and while you exhale, stretch your right hand arms. Okay, so exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. We will perform 5 rounds. Exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale. Now slowly down. Now same practice with another hands. Inhale, exhale, inhale. During the practice, focus on your elbow joint. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, and slowly hands down and relax. Now we will move on next asana, Kehuni Chakra. Okay, Kehuni means elbow, Chakra means rotation. So first we will practice with your right hand. So first this position, first we will come this position, and then bend your arms from your elbow. Try to touch hands with your elbow, right elbow. Okay, now start. When your hands down, exhale, and when your hands up, inhale. Okay, this is breathing pattern. Exhale down, inhale up, exhale down. We will perform 5 rounds. Try to make a big circle. Inhale up, exhale down, inhale up, exhale down. Now opposite direction. Inhale up, exhale down. During the practice, focus on your elbow region. When the 5 rounds complete, then hands down. Now some practice with another hands. So inhale up, exhale down, inhale up, exhale down, inhale up, exhale down, inhale up, exhale down. Opposite direction. Inhale up, exhale down, inhale up, exhale down, inhale up, exhale down, inhale up, exhale down. Okay, now slowly hands down. Okay, now we will move on next asana, Skandha Chakra. Skandha means shoulder, Chakra means rotation. So first come into this position. Bring your elbow downward movement, then exhale, and when your elbows upward movement, then inhale. Okay, so now I start. Exhale down, inhale up, exhale down, inhale up, exhale down, inhale up, exhale down, inhale up. During the practice, focus on your shoulder region. Now we will practice opposite direction. Inhale up, exhale down. During the practice, make sure try to touch your both elbow. Exhale down, inhale up, exhale down, inhale up, exhale down, inhale up, exhale down, and then relax. Now we will move next asana, Griva Sanchalan. Griva means neck, Sanchalan means bending or rotation. Rotation and bending included in this asana. Okay. So Griva Sanchalan, 4 variation. First, bend neck up and down, and then after that bend side by side, then after that twist side by side, then after that rotation. Okay, so let's start. First, hands down on your knees, Gyan Mudra or Chin Mudra. Make sure during the practice, eyes should be open. Inhale, neck back, exhale down, inhale up, backward movement, exhale down, inhale up. We will practice 5 rounds. Inhale up, exhale down, inhale up, exhale down. During the practice, focus on your neck region. Exhale down, inhale, go back, exhale down, inhale, come into the initial position. So next variation, neck bending, okay, each side. So first we will see breathing pattern. Okay, inhale into the center, exhale, bend right side, inhale into the center, bend left side, inhale into the center, exhale to the right, inhale, center, exhale, left, inhale, center, exhale, right, inhale to the center, exhale to the left, inhale, center, exhale, right. Okay, inhale to the center, and then after that we will move on next variation, twist your neck. Okay, twist each side. First we will see breathing pattern. Inhale into the center, Exhale to the right side. Inhale to the center. Exhale to the left side. Inhale to the center. Exhale to the right side. Now perform each side 5 rounds. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale into center. Now last variation, neck rotation. Okay, so first we will see breathing pattern. Exhale down and rotate with your right side. When your neck down, then inhale, backward, then inhale, and then your neck down, then exhale. Okay, inhale up, exhale down. During the practice, make sure your eyes should be open. Movement should be slower, synchronize with your breathing pattern. Inhale up, exhale down one moment. Inhale up one moment. Exhale down one moment. Inhale up one moment. Exhale down one moment. Okay, now opposite direction. Inhale back. Exhale down. Inhale, go back. Exhale down. Inhale, go back. Exhale down. Inhale, go back. Exhale down. And then inhale, come into the initial position. Thank you for watching. Jai Shri Krishna.